These are the verbs of future tense, called a very confusing model. Many of the time, students get confused how to use and where to use this. So today's class is all about the use of will and would. So you watch till end and definitely your confusion will be clear. आप लोग इसको अंत तक देखें, आपका definitely confusion जो है वो जरूर क्लियर होगा, जरूर दूर होगा. So will जो है, will is the verb of a future tense. Will जो है, it is a verb of a future tense, and would is the past form of will. Will is always used in a future tense, whereas would can be used sometime in past tense. Though it is a model and it has to be used in a future tense, but it can't be used directly. Like I will do it means what? The person is willingness to do the work. यानी मैं ये कार्य करूंगा, कमिंग फ्यूचर में मैं ये काम करूंगा. अब हमको इसी को लिखना है would के साथ, तो we can't write I would do it because this is a wrong sentence. If you are writing, if anyone is writing this, it would be a wrong. So how we are going to write? If you wanted to use would over here and this, then I would do it. We have to make I would do it as a subordinate clause and principal clause we have to write before it. So for example, how we are going to do? If you will give me some gifts, I will do it. I would do it. If you ask me, then I would do it. यानी अगर आप मुझसे कहोगे तो मैं करूंगा. I would do it. Cut that. Next is what? Will is used to, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, will is used to refer future events more generally, whereas would is used to refer future events but in a specific condition. But in a specific condition. So what are the condition? The condition will be like request, offering, for showing politeness. Okay. So let us see some examples for this. As I said, would is used in some conditions to show the future events, and will is so in general future events. So let us see some condition and how we are going to use will in those conditions and would. For the very first is prediction. Predicting, because it is all about future. So from today, suppose we have to go somewhere. Suppose we have to, let us think that I have to go, or we have to go to Delhi. So let us frame one sentence. We will be in Delhi tomorrow by 4 p.m. If suppose my flight is today or tomorrow by evening, today by evening. So tomorrow by 4 p.m. I will be in Delhi. So what is the sentence? We will be in evening by 4 p.m. today. So because of some reason flight could not reach, and after reaching over there late, how we are going to say? We will be saying that we thought, condition. How we are going to apply that would? You just check it out. We thought we would be in Delhi by 4 p.m. but it could not happen. That means we are describing the past in a future reference, in a future sense. That's what I said. Would will be used in a past form for a future reference, in a future sense. Now let us see the next one. What is that? Decision. I am not hungry, so I will have a cup of tea. I am giving my decision. Since I am not hungry, I will have a cup of tea. How I am going to say in this for using would? We will say after having tea, after completing my tea, and afterwards I am describing the past. How? I was not hungry, so I said I would have a cup of tea. This was my decision. I am talking about my decision. Since I was not hungry, so I said I would have a cup of tea. Now the third condition, imagination. What is that? Will be used for a real imagination, whereas would will be used for unreal imagination, that is hypothetical, जो कि रियल नहीं है, कुछ ऐसे इमेजिन जो पॉसिबल नहीं है. हम लोग बहुत बार देखते हैं कि अगर ऐसा होता तो मैं ऐसा करता, तो सच टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे देख लें, इफ इट रेन टुमारो आई विल गेट माई अम्ब्रेला. हाइपोथेटिकल में कैसे करेंगे? हाइपोथेटिकल में एक जस्ट अनरियल इमेजिनेशन. इफ आई हैड विंग्स then I would fly all over the country. If I had wings, then I would fly all over the countries. This is not possible, that I can't have a wings, so I can't fly all over the country. This is a hypothetical imagination which I am doing, so that's why we have been using over there would. Now let us see more examples, because we can use would even for polite request. You must be writing an application, I would like to inform you that. That is a polite request. So let us see some more example with the conditions, how we are going to use would. For example, for request, in a condition of a request, how we are going to use? For using will you give me some money? This is a request I am going to someone. Will you give me some money? But if the same will, if this will we wanted to convert with this would, then we have to see how we are going to use, because we have to, this is a verb of a will, has to be used in the past form. Would, when we are going to use. How we are going to use? Would you mind lending me some money? This is a polite request. Same way, next example you see for permission. Would you mind if I left the office little early? That is a permission I am giving. The answer will be yes or no. Would you like to have coffee or tea? This is an offering. Would you like to have coffee or tea? You will say I would like to have this or that. Even sometime we use would to describe our past. For example, I would play cricket in my childhood. मतलब मैं अपने बचपन में क्रिकेट खेला करता था. So I hope your doubt must have clear. If not, then please comment and do like, share and subscribe.